Hello everybody! How are you today? I hope you are all doing fine. Today I will be making a Filipino dish. We call it pork adobo.
Wow!
To those who don't want to eat pork, you can use chicken. Without further ado, let's get started. Here we have one half cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup vinegar, and 1/2 cup sugar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. One half cup of 7-Up, and then let's add our sauce that we made earlier. Make sure to marinate it. Really good. I want this to brown a little bit. Okay, time to put our liquid. I like to put star anise and some whatever. This one. Alright, let's check. Stir this to lots of liquid. It's time to add my really tender. This is our finished product. Delicious, very tender, full of flavor. So guys, if you don't want to eat pork, you can use chicken. Okay, enjoy!